Hello guys, someone asked a very important question and the person was like, Prince TV Global, does too much knacking or regular knacking expand the V port? In recent times, women have been made to believe that too much knacking can expand the V port, but the answer to this question is what? No. The answer is what? No. Regular knacking or too much knacking does not permanently losing the V port. Now listen, the V port is an elastic muscle that can stretch and also return back to its normal shape, just like a rubber band, So during knacking and also during childbirth, the walls of the V port can naturally expand and later it will tighten back with time. So after knacking, the muscles may somehow feel relaxed, but it is only temporary. But surely it will return back to its normal shape within some few hours. So that's just it. The only thing that can maybe make the V port not to be tight as you may think is what? Childbirth, aging, or lack of pelvic floor exercise. Like, when you don't do your pelvic floor exercise, it might somehow make your V port muscles to be weak. So lack of all this can actually make your V port not to be tight. So don't allow people to convince you or tell you that too much knacking or regular knacking can actually expand your V port. That is a very big fat lie. So as a lady, if you want your V port to be tight and firm, try to go into regular Kegel exercise or pelvic floor tightening exercise. All those exercises I'll be playing it in the screen so you can be able to know them and know how to practice them, because it is very, very effective. Instead of going into all this stuff, they will tell you to buy a V port tightening cream, all those cream, and you think all those things are working. My dear, all those things are not working. Is not working. So don't allow them to deceive you and convince you that all those things are working, because it's not working. You are either causing yourself infection, or maybe you're reducing the pH level of your V port that will help your V port to be self-clean. You are now reducing it. Some people will tell you to use alum. My dear people, imagine telling you to use alum on your V port. You are just damaging your V port. But before you listen to these people, before you allow them to give you this kind of their blind advice, my dear, first of all, ask them, are you a certified doctor? Yes. Or are you just a roadside chemist or a roadside nurse? Because a well-trained doctor and a well-trained nurse cannot tell you to use alum, to insert in your V port that will help to tighten up your V port. My dear, no well-trained doctor and a well-trained nurse will tell you such kind of a thing. So lastly, to those who have been asking such question, does too much knacking or regular knacking, does it expand the V port? The answer to this question is what? No, it doesn't expand the V port. So this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince TV Global saying thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.